Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable TPM 2.0, TPM 1.2, Discrete TPM, or Intel PTT on any Lenovo ThinkPad. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Start menu. Click on Settings, go to System, scroll down, and open Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will reboot into the recovery environment. On the blue menu, click Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Click on UEFI Firmware Settings. Press Restart to enter the BIOS. You should now be inside your Lenovo ThinkPad's BIOS, UEFI. The layout may look different depending on your ThinkPad model. Go to the Security tab. Look for an option called Security Chip. Open the option and enable it using the drop-down menu. Available options may include TPM 2.0, TPM 1.2, Discrete TPM, Intel PTT, Intel Platform Trust Technology. Select the one recommended for your system. For Windows 11, TPM 2.0 or Intel PTT is required. Press F10 to save the changes. Confirm and exit the BIOS. Your ThinkPad will restart, and TPM should now be fully enabled. That's it.